Have you ever imagined studying in half the time and learning twice as much? Have you ever wished for a personal tutor available 24/7? One that never gets tired, never loses patience, and always answers your questions in a way that actually makes sense? That's no longer a dream. It's happening right now. Today, I'm going to show you the best artificial intelligence tools every student should be using this year. And I'm not just talking about simple chatbots. I'm talking about real assistants that can help you save time, boost your grades, and even reduce your academic stress. Stay with me until the end, because I won't just show you the most powerful AIs. I'll also reveal how to combine them to completely transform the way you study. Students today are drowning in information. Teachers pile up endless readings. Exams cover way more than the human brain can realistically process, and distractions are everywhere. Social media, notifications, exhaustion. The result? Students who memorize a lot but understand very little. And when you memorize without understanding, what happens? Exactly. You pass an exam, but a month later you've already forgotten 70% of what you studied. That's where artificial intelligence comes in. Not to cheat, but to help you learn faster, retain better, and simplify what feels overwhelming. Let's start with the first and most well-known, ChatGPT, especially in its latest version. Why is it so useful for students? It can explain things at your level, whether you're a kid or a graduate student. It can generate examples step by step for math, chemistry, history, you name it. It can summarize 20 pages of text into the essentials in seconds, and it can even help you prepare for exams by generating practice questions or simulating real test scenarios. But here's the trick. Alternatives like Claude AI and Perplexity AI often provide even clearer, more organized answers, and sometimes they do it better than ChatGPT. Now let's talk about time management. Because studying isn't just about cramming knowledge, it's about organizing your life. How many times have you left everything for the last moment simply because you didn't have a clear plan? That's where Notion AI comes in. You can create weekly schedules, and the AI helps you distribute your time. You can turn a messy set of notes into a perfect outline. You can even generate smart to-do lists that adjust automatically as your priorities change. And if you want something more visual, there's Motion AI, an AI that literally organizes your calendar for you. Imagine telling it, I have an exam on Friday, 2 essays due, and I want to sleep at least 7 hours every night. In seconds, the AI builds your entire week, balancing everything for you. But what about presentations and essays? How many hours have you wasted fighting with PowerPoint or staring at a blank Word document? This is where Gamma.app and Tome AI change the game. Gamma takes your raw ideas and instantly transforms them into a professional-looking presentation. Tome can create interactive documents with images generated automatically by AI. Imagine you have to present on climate change. You give the AI 3 paragraphs of text, and it delivers a polished, engaging presentation with visuals, charts, and clean design. And when it comes to writing assignments, tools like Jasper AI and WriteSonic can help you draft introductions, create strong thesis statements, or craft compelling conclusions. The trick, though, is to use them as writing assistants, not as full replacements. Always add your personal touch. Now let's move to research. Traditionally, students spend hours digging through Google results, trying to figure out which sources are trustworthy. But this year, better tools exist. Perplexity AI works like a search engine powered by AI, but it cites sources, making it perfect for essays. Consensus specializes in pulling answers directly from peer-reviewed scientific articles. Elicit helps you organize findings from research papers and build a structured understanding. For example, if you're writing about cognitive psychology, Consensus can instantly show you the most recent peer-reviewed studies, saving you hours of frustration on Google Scholar. Languages are another area where AI is revolutionizing learning. In the past, you memorized endless vocabulary lists and filled out repetitive exercises. Now, Duolingo Max, powered by AI, not only drills you, but corrects your mistakes in real time. Speak AI acts like a native speaking tutor, practicing conversations with you while adjusting your pronunciation. And combining LinkQ with ChatGPT allows you to break down texts, translate them, and get personalized examples tailored to your level. With these tools, you don't just learn the language, you actually live it. And then there's math and science. For many students, this is the hardest battlefield, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Wolfram Alpha solves math and science problems step by step, showing the entire reasoning process. MathGPT specializes in algebra, calculus, and trigonometry. Photomath lets you snap a picture of a problem and it explains exactly how to solve it. If you're struggling with a nightmare of an integral, Wolfram won't just give you the final result, it'll walk you through every step so you finally understand how it works. But not all academic work is tests and problem sets. Creativity is also key. Canvas AI helps design posters, covers, and visuals in minutes. Runway ML can generate videos almost instantly. MidJourney or DALL-E can create breathtaking images to bring your projects to life. Imagine you're presenting a futuristic architecture project. With MidJourney, you can generate professional quality concept art that makes your presentation unforgettable. Here's the real secret though. The magic isn't in using just one AI, it's in combining them. Picture this workflow. You start with Perplexity AI to gather reliable information. You move to Notion AI to organize it into structured notes. Then you use ChatGPT to generate practice questions for your exam. And finally, you create a presentation in Gamma that looks like it was designed by a professional team. That's not just one assistant, that's a whole army working for you. We are living in an educational revolution. Students who know how to use these tools won't just get better grades, they'll be prepared for a future where artificial intelligence is everywhere. The difference between an average student and a high-performing student is no longer natural intelligence, it's how well they know how to leverage artificial intelligence. So now, let me ask you, which of these tools will you try first? Have you already been using some of them, or is this all new to you? And if you'd like me to make a deeper video on how to use ChatGPT specifically to prepare for exams, drop a light bulb in the comments. Because the future of studying is here, and it's powered by AI.